before this giveaway.
Very good. Very good. Take the next road to the left. This will be after immediate this car on the left. I need to come back again.
Ask him how is it now.
Okay, Zubair, how is now the mini roundabout? Do you understand what is the priority?
Yes.
Why should you stop?
Got it.
Okay, do you understand? A mini roundabout can be open, also can be closed junction. How you judge if it's open or closed?
There is no visibility, then it means a closed junction. If it is, then it's open junction.
Very good. Okay. End of the road, turn left. What do you think? Open or close this junction?
This one closer. Due to park car, the visibility is nearly nothing, 0.
End of the road, turn right. Okay, Zoeb, we are turning right. So it means center right mirror, right indicator on.
But you said left.
No, right. I said right. What I say, right or left? You have video proof.
Left.
Left? I'm thinking right. Sorry.
Also, bhai, what he said.
Left, so that's why I was looking center
Yeah.
left.
Okay, sorry, it's my bad.
Right, left.
Go right.
There's a car.
Okay, Zoeb bhai, in this situation, what do you need to do?
What speed is gonna go through?
What speed you can go through here?
That minimum.
Yeah.
What's the minimum for you? Tell me on the speedometer.
810.
810
Is it 810?
Is 810 now?
No.
What is now?
It's 9 now.
Before how?
Before it was only 5, sir.
So you need to approach this junction on 5 miles per hour because you cannot see.
Yeah.
You need to go very slowly. Okay, next crossroad, turn right.
Right.
Okay, Zubay, end of the road, turn left. You can use the sun visor if you need it.
Left.
Yes. Okay, Zubay, can you see any change of speed after you take the next road to the right?
Yeah. This is 20.
Next road right.
Right.
So from here, can you say again another change of speed?
Yeah.
So what will be on this road, speed limit?
20.
It's 30.
30.
Yes. So what do you think? You can go 30 on this road?
No.
What speed should you drive?
15, 16 will be fine.
Very good. end of the road, turn right. Is it open junction or closed junction?
Open.
Is it open junction?
Yeah.
Be sure. Is it open junction or closed junction?
Open.
Okay, so open junction, you can see before you come into the junction, the road. This is a closed junction, you couldn't see it. If somebody's coming from your right, can you see?
When before approaching? Or
Yes, before approaching.
now
Take
I
the
cannot
next road to
see.
the right.
Yeah. To right?
Yes. Stay slightly to the left. Okay, Zoe, can you see a gap on the left hand side? Just
Yes.
pull up on the left, please. Ignore the drive at that time. Secure the car, please. My book. If you want, turn on off the engine, please. Thank you very much. Okay. What is the difference on this picture, this junction, and on this junction? Can you see the difference?
Yeah. This one?
Yeah, and this one is a T junction.
Yeah.
But look, the
trees and everything is blocking our view.
Okay, and
But
this
here-
junction
Put the book towards
Yeah.
the client. Put the books towards them.
like this.
More. Yeah. Fold it.
Oh.
Okay, the visibility, yes, I can look, but there are no trees here.
Okay.
Trees or some
On this junction,
other stuff. Yeah, this is blocking the view.
okay. So in this junction, what do you think? Is it open or close?
It was
Look,
close.
open junction, open junction. Before you come to the junction, you will able to see if somebody's coming or not. On this junction, do you see if somebody's coming or not?
No,
So what is this junction?
it's a close one.
It's a closed junction. So in closed junction, what do you need to do?
To slow down.
Slow down. But if necessary, we need to stop. Okay. Do you remember what is the difference on the stop sign and give a sign?
Hmm.
Can you tell me?
Stop, you need to stop completely. Give away, need to give the priority to our right.
So in a closed junction, if you don't have visibility, what do you need to do? You cannot see.
You can't see.
So what do you need to do?
Just stop
Stop, peep and keep,
and then
then go. Okay. So now we'll back again to the junction and let's see how you're dealing the situation. If you judge this is an open junction or closed junction. Okay. In exam day, where I can keep
Yes.
my book?
Just say no problem. Ask them. And just, you're saying open and closed junction. So ask them 7-8 car length when you check in the mirrors, because houses, street, park cars. Are you able to see the traffic flow which you're going into, the road you're going in?
Okay.
So you cannot see, that's a closed junction. But if you checking the mirror, then give the signal, you can see the traffic flow because there is no houses, there is no tree, there is no park cars.
So
So
I'll
it's open a junction. Have a look in front of you. See this road on your left hand side. See this in your map also in a car.
Well, I'll take the next route.
No,
I'll
ask him from here.
Okay.
Look at your set nav.
Okay. Look the sat nav.
So
There's a road on the right hand side immediate after this car.
Yeah.
What do you think? If the car is coming
Or
from
you
your
going into it.
or you going into it, is open junction or closed junction?
close one.
What is the reason?
Because you cannot see to my right.
You cannot see even your road, no? So if there's no tree, no car, you're able to see it, then it will be open junction. Now you couldn't see, then it will be a closed junction. What speed should you go in this road?
Barely minimum of
From we are in a major road or on a minor road we are now.
minor.
So you need to stop before going inside the road or not?
We are in a major road.
Yeah, in the major road.
Major?
We are in the major road.
Okay.
Why is it minor then?
Yeah, I'm about to come. आपने early बोल दिया. Okay, so how you judge you are on a major road or on a minor road?
Major,
What? Look this road.
Let us stay with this picture, that picture. Ask him which one is the major, which is minor road.
No, मैं right down directly you picture देखा.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Now our road is like this. What do you think? Which is the major road and which is the minor road?
okay. This one is major, this one is minor.
Why?
The traffic flow is heavy here, but not here. I mean,
This is the only reason?
and this is okay.
Help him, help
Okay.
him. Give me
No, I
feedback.
just ask a few questions. Okay. So, do you see any giveaway line here?
No,
Can you see any giveaway line here?
this one.
Okay. So, in a major road, we don't have giveaway line.
Okay.
In a minor road, we have the giveaway line. This is the way you know if this is a major road or minor road. If you look ahead, do you see any giveaway line on this road?
No,
So, what is this road? Major or minor?
major.
Major. If you look carefully, you see slightly bit of the line, giveaway line on the left road, left hand side road.
Okay.
So,
Left hand?
yeah.
Okay.
So, if you're driving normal in a road, if you don't see any giveaway line on your road, then you'll be in the major road. But after, if you say giveaway line, then it will be a minor road on the left or right. If there anybody approaching to your left or right, so you don't need to stop for them. You have the priority. So now it's clear for you what is the major road and minor road.
Yes, I got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so Zoeb, move on you're ready. Okay, so on you move on, our road will be immediate on the right hand side.
Okay.
Okay. So when you give your indicator, keep hold your indicator. Okay, Zoeb, can you see the difference? Now keep hold your indicator. We're turning right over here. Okay, can you say give a line, Zoeb?
Yeah.
So what is the which is the major or which is the minor?
This is the major and the right one is a minor.
Very good. Very good. Okay, Zoeb, what do you think? This road, what the speed should you maintain?
Should be 10, 12.
What is the speed limit here?
It's 20.
It's 30. Do you see any sign again? Any change of speed?
Street lights was also there. But
What is the street light national speed? End of the road, turn right. End of the road, yeah. Right indicator on. What do you think? You can see through cars coming?
We need to go back to test center. Getting late.
40. मैं सोच रहा था थोड़ा टाइम लॉस हो उसके लिए
You have 5 minutes.
turn left. So turn right, turn right. I have backup plan. I go from over there, the main road.
You have 5 minutes. Please.
End of the road, turn right. Preserve, take the next road to the right. Bit slow, more slow. Yeah.
Straight.
I'll give you direction in plenty time ahead. Preserve, we are taking the next. This is the first one, second road to the left. This is the first one. Very good mirror. Very good. Very good decision. End of the road, turn right. Keep going forward slowly. Take the next road to the right.
Right?
Yes. Look your right, pedestrian. Preserve in the mini roundabout, turn left. Very good. Pull over here. You going slightly more forward? It's fine. Thank you. 40 पे आ गया. वो बैकअप प्लान था.